Hi everyone, Patrick here. We are back opening a box of 2018 Panini Optic baseball, and this is a blaster box once again. Retails at $19.99, and we will take a look at this box. Look for blaster exclusive pink parallels, 6 per box, 1 per pack on average, and there's a bonus 3-card pack with 3 premier rookies. Let's look for that Shohei Ohtani, shall we? Okay. Here's our look inside the box. We see our packs here. We have 1, 2, 3 special pack, 3 cards, 4, 5, 6 packs. And let's save the last pack for last. Here we go, pack 1. There's a Matt Carpenter. I see a blue parallel here. Albert Pujols blue parallel. This is going to be numbered. This is numbered out of 150. That's a nice card. 136. I'm sorry, out of 149. Interesting. Out of 149. Year in review insert set. Albert Pujols. Nice little blue parallel in a little blaster box. Here's our pink parallel. That's a rated rookie, Nick Williams. Put that in a separate place. And there's an all-star Nolan Arenado in the base set. First card, Kenley Jansen. Brendan Rodgers. Rated prospect. This is another insert set, which includes Vladdy Jr., so we'll look for that. How about an autograph? That'd be nice. Put that over here. It's a take on the rated rookie there, rated prospect. And a Madison Bumgarner, pink parallel. And a Robles rated rookie base set. Okay, third pack. Well, these retail at $19.99. You can get them for cheaper now. I got these from Dave and Adam's Card World for pretty cheap. Not a bad deal. Here's a Christian Yelich. Eric Hosmer, that's our look at the Diamond King. Here's the back of the Diamond King there. And we have a Shohei Ohtani, parallel rated rookie. I like that. We'll sleeve that up. Very nice. They're still worth some money, even though he's cooled down a bit. And there's a chance to go rookie card, rated rookie card. There we are. Fourth pack. Start with a Francisco Lindor. And Adam Jones. Max Scherzer. And there's our pink parallel, Giancarlo Stanton. Fifth pack. There's an Alex Bregman on top. Javi Baez. Adam Wainwright, pink parallel, Diamond King. And here's a good look at one of the Prism parallels, Kirby Puckett. See, it says Prism there on the bottom. You can tell it's a little more refractory. You see the rainbow there. There's our Prism parallel. And our last regular pack, and then we'll have our 3-card bonus pack and the box. So Andrew Miller, Buster Posey, Nomar Mazara, pink parallel, and a Nick Williams rated rookie. Nothing super exciting. We got the Ohtani. It's not bad. He's the cover boy. And here's our bonus pack, 3 premier rookies. We have Rafael Devers. And we got the Ohtani again. That's a nice card. Very nice. And Andujar. So not a bad Premier Rookies pack. Overall, there's our 2018 Optic Blaster box. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.